Tell her that the girl's not really teaching y'all how to do y'all makeup no more. Not to worry, because I got you. We're gonna take you step by step. But let's get right started. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with Made by Mitchell Sludge Box. What she looks like. Mix these two colors right here to kind of make like a custom color for my brows. It's not like spot on. Honestly, it'll do. I'm gonna conceal my brows with the Made by Mitchell concealer. I really love this concealer. It's like the perfect neutral tone. Also, are y'all like team flat brush for concealing the brows or team round brush? I used to be team round brush all the way, but once I started using an angled flat brush, I never looked back. Okay, so these are the brows. I know when the brows come out good, the makeup is about to eat. I'm gonna use the One Size Hydro Sculpt to prep my skin. I like to warm up like if it's like a creamy like moisturizer or any sort of like facial product, I like to warm it up on the back of my hand first and apply it to my skin like that. This feels beautiful on my skin. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna do some underpainting, and this is the Patrick Ta for Face. She's chiseled their cream and powder contour, so the cream's on top, the powder. I'm so out of practice when it comes to doing my makeup because it's just been so long since I've sat down and just done my makeup. I also have my curve case. This isn't new, but I barely use it. I'm gonna try the shade right here. What blush are we gonna use? I think I'm gonna go for like a Barbie pink blush. I'm gonna use a Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's a Doll. I'm gonna use the Cream Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Summertime Wine from Fenty. Come on, like this is such a gorgeous deep plum. I love the shade. High up on my face. Honestly, this looks kind of crazy right now, but trust me, y'all, it's gonna come together. I'm gonna also take it underneath my eye as well. Concealers. I'm going to use my new Patrick Ta concealers, the shade Tan Golden Peach. I keep the shade on like the outer corner of my eye, kind of as that transition shade from my blush to my concealer. There's a little bit of the blush with the concealer to blend it out on the outside so that it kind of like acts as a transition. Yes, you hear my cat is meowing? Roman, what is it? I'm taking it underneath my eye, but I'm really keeping it outside my eye because I'm going to use a lighter color for the inside. Tell me that's not a seamless blend. Tell me that's not a seamless blend. Use the concealer with the blush. It's going to do wonders, okay? I'm going to go in with Tan Peach in my inner corner. This is perfect for when you don't want your concealer to move around a lot, but you still want a seamless blend. Last step is the foundation. This is actually the skin tint. The Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. New. I hope that this is my shade. I really hope this is my shade. Oh, she's gonna work. Absolutely. Another reason I love underpainting is because you don't have to use a lot of product to get coverage, because you've already covered most of your face. So I'm working it around the edges of the areas that I already put on so that I don't completely cover the hard work that we just did with all that blending. So for setting powder, I have the One Size in Ultra Pink, Laura Mercier, and this is their Secret Brightening Under Eye Setting Powder in the shade Golden. I've never used this Ultra Pink because I've just been scared to use it. Like I don't really know how to use it. We're gonna figure it out today. Use a different powder puff for this and go, oh! I love it already. Use my tried and true, which is this bronze book by Made by Mitchell. It's Ready or Not and Box of Truffles. It's like the perfect match for the cream contour that I laid down. I'm gonna bring it like into the front of my brow bone. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the same Patrick Ta palette. This is She's a Doll. I'm gonna use the powder blush. Bring it again on the outside of my face. Blush is really my favorite part. I'm going with the Say Beauty in the shade Bella. A little bit. I've been working it a little bit more under my eye and not on the outside. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this new Fenty Under Eye Bright Fix. I got the shade 3, which is Banana. I'm going to concentrate this right under my eye to blend in seamlessly with the blush. Highlighter, I have these two Fenty Beauty ones. This one is my newer one. This is in Lavender Lover. I want to layer it with this Demi Glow Light Diffusing Highlighter in Yum Rum. Highlighter, I love her. She's also breaking apart. Lavender on top. It doesn't show up like too purple. It's like perfect. I'm back. The eyes are done. This is what they're giving. Going in with this e.l.f. Power Grip. We all know what this is a dupe for. I'm gonna try down this setting spray. Love it. I like to go back in with my powder puff though and just re-mattify. This is my newest combo. This is the MAC Lip Liner in Chestnut. This is not my first time using this, but I did get a brand new one. It's MAC lipstick in the shade Honey Love. So this was a part of like the Doja Cat collab, and look how beautiful. I usually never go for a nude lippy, but I love what it'll look like with a gloss. I'm going to use this MAC lip gloss. I'm a gloss girl. I am a glossy lip girl. We're going to be doing more of these. I'm going to be doing more of my makeup, and I will see y'all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.